Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to be working with card visualizations. So let's get started. To insert your first scorecard, let's click on this Add a Chart option and you will see this scorecard section. Let's choose this first option, scorecard, and let's place it here on our page. Now we have some default value here. If I click here, basically I will be able to see my scorecard. Now let's modify this scorecard. First, if I click on that, let me first choose proper value. So what can we present here? Let's, for example, display total sales. I'm gonna place that sales value here in this metric box, and we will be able to see total sales. Now, what can we do next? We have also these other comparison options. If I click on that, I will be able to compare this value to some specific value. Let's click on metric, and let's, for example, add profit here. This way, we will be able to see also this comparison value here. This is also a new option here in the Looker Studio. For now, we will not be using this, but let's click also on this one, show as progress. And basically, we will be able to see comparison between profit and sales. Let me remove this one. We will not need that one. Also, I'm gonna click on this period, and basically we will be able to remove that value. We have also filter option. Let's click on add a filter, and if I add some filter here, basically it will filter our value. Let's remove that one and let's proceed to style. If I click on show title, I will be able to create some specific title. Let's click on this test one, and basically this is title for our scorecard. So let's say total sales KPI, for example. And that way you will be able to see title for your scorecard. Let me place it here, and I'm gonna leave it on top. I'm gonna make it bold, and I can also change maybe this color. Let's use this some blue color, for example. You have also this conditional formatting option. Basically, based on that, you will be able to change color of your value based on some conditions. You can also be aware that you can use that function too. I'm gonna proceed further. I'm gonna click on this compact number. You will be able to see that it's very important for us because we have this number presented this way. If I click on compact numbers, it will be presented, let's say, much better for us here. For decimal precision, let's put 2. Excellent. Missing data, we don't need that option now. And also for labels, let's put, for example, this number. That way we will have bigger value here. I'm gonna align it. Maybe even we can hide this sales here if I click on this, and that way we will be able to see our title and basically value. This is a very nice option in Looker Studio, recently added. Now let's change background and border. Let's pick this color, for example, and let's choose this option to be 10, for example. This is how that looks. Let's go back to style. Let's see what other options we have. We have this padding and chart header. Always show. You can change the color, but we will not be using that one in this video. Okay, now how can we duplicate this KPI card? If I click on that one, let me first copy that. Let's click on copy. Let's click on this page, paste, and we will be able to see another scorecard. This way, instead of sales, let's present profit, for example. I'm gonna also need to change my title, total profit KPI. Excellent. Let's duplicate that one more time. Copy and paste. In this one, we can present, for example, total quantity. Okay, excellent. Let me do that one more time. I'm gonna paste it here. And in this case, we will present something else. Let's see total number of regions that we have, for example. In this case, let's click on this button here, and we will be able to choose count distinct. Basically, those are only options for text value that we have here. In this case, we will be using count distinct, and we will be able to see that we have total 3 regions. Excellent. Okay, with this I'm gonna conclude this lesson.